Hello everyone, Mark here. Welcome to Red Duchess Farm. It's just after the new year and I'm just out walking around looking to see what's still growing, and I thought I'd bring you along. So let me turn this camera around, and in among all of the mud from the rain that we've been having, I will show you what we've got growing. It's pretty soft and squishy out here, but we have some small heads of cabbage. I really didn't know if this stuff would ever head since I planted it a little late. We've got some really nice turnips scattered just here and there. This whole area was planted to turnips. Did not get a stand, didn't come up. And so I tilled it all under and came in here and planted these greens. And after I tilled it all up with the tractor and tiller, then we had a few turnips come up. We've got some broccoli, and I really didn't think that it would ever head either, but it's beginning. And then we've got 2 rows of kale. So we're still eating fresh kale. And then we'll go up and look and see what's in the little raised bed hooped houses. I pulled a small turnip and I'm filling a bag of greens. This bed's got some onions across the front, not looking great. They're Egyptian walking onions. And then there's collard greens, and then on back there's some Swiss chard and a little bit of endive back there that's still hanging in there. And then in this next bed over is mustard greens, and about everything else is gone there. We've been down to about 16 degrees at one point. This next one was all lettuce and it's pretty well gone. And then this last one was radishes in the back, and they're gone. And then in the front here we've got spinach. Looks a little rough, but you can still sort through it and come up with some spinach. Strawberries are still green, although not as pretty as they were earlier. And we're still getting some herbs. We made salsa for New Year's Eve and went out and got fresh cilantro. So we've still got some green things growing. But I just kind of wanted to bring you up to date on kind of what's going on the farm. We've been running the sawmill a little bit. That piece of wood that's in the mill there will make 12 8-foot 2x6s. There's another 12 that came out of the other half of it stacked over here. And then we've sawn some 12-foot 2x6s. Got slab wood laying here. And some rough edged 1x that will need to be run back through the mill and cleaned up to make boards out of. We're getting ready to build a small bunkhouse for our woofers, and so we're sawing out some of the lumber. Most of the logs that we are using is standing dead, so we're cutting standing dead timber and sawing the logs out of them and making boards and using the tops and everything for firewood. It's almost greenhouse season. That starts in earnest here in a few weeks. So we're in the process of working with wholesale customers and ordering product. The earlier part of this video was shot a couple days ago, right after it had finally quit raining again. we've still got water standing everywhere and it's muddy. But today it is in the high 50s, sun's out, and absolutely gorgeous for it's the 6th day of January, Sunday. That's just a little bit of an update of what's been going on here on the farm, what we've still got growing. Jamie has a video coming out on Thursday, and so you'll want to check that out. Something else I wanted to talk about on this video is we are 6 subscribers away from 500, and we haven't done a subscriber giveaway yet, so we want to do a 500 subscriber giveaway. So help us get this next 6 subscribers or so, and I will do a 500 subscriber giveaway video. And Jamie and I are thinking about what we want to include. I know there will be some seed, probably some of our corn that we raise, Cherokee tan pumpkin seeds, probably some brown cotton seed, and we'll scrounge around and see what else. I'm sure something that alpaca wise will be included in that Jamie makes. So help us out there and watch for that video coming up here shortly. Thanks for watching from Red Duchess Farm. You all have a great day.